Let's go.
They're doing something.
Do you think it's just... Do you think they even talk at all?
All within this outpost, hear me! The First Order is now firmly in power. The Resistance has been destroyed, but they don't want to accept it. They do not see that the First Order brings security, order, and the rule of law to the galaxy. The Resistance would disrupt this balance. They would bring conflict, aggression, even war. And we would be forced to respond with the same. Yet they press on, trying to survive, to keep fighting for a hopeless cause. We have reason to believe that a Resistance spy was sent here to Batu. Some of you may have even cooperated. Some of you may actually support the Resistance. If so, we will find out, and you will feel the consequences of your actions. And there will be consequences. Troopers!
Lieutenant.
Sir, welcome to Batu.
You are a poor ambassador. Have you found the Resistance spy?
Not yet, sir, but we will. I have dispatched patrol units and sentries.
You have failed, Lieutenant. That Resistance spy was tracked to Batu. You were sent to find her.
Sir!
If she is here, she may not be alone. Do you understand? The Resistance must not be allowed to regroup. If someone in this outpost knows something, we need to find them.
Sir, I will lead a team right away.
You will await further orders. Troopers.
Yes, sir.
We need to move.